My dear colleagues, now I want to discuss how will you count number of onto functions. In my opinion, onto functions can be counted by two ways. One is by using formula and other is by using counting. That's why the counting plays vital role in solving the problem of onto functions. And other function will be also counted by using counting. But here I want to discuss first how will you count onto function. As I hope you know all the things, but I tried my best to apply some conceptual example so that it will be easy for the students. Now, before starting into function, we want to discuss some basic concepts. Suppose here R1 and R2 are two roads, and we want to find the areas of these two roads. Area of R1 plus area of R2. Area of R1 plus area of R2 can be written as area of R1 plus area of R2 minus area of rectangle BCD. This is very, very important. It is also, you can say that it is here the application of inclusion and exclusion principle. Inclusion, area of rectangle R1, area of rectangle R2. But what do we observe? We observe that area of rectangle BCD comes 2 times. So, we subtract it, and this is known as exclusion here. We exclude it because it comes 2 times. Now, in this diagram, you can find the cardinal number of x union y is equal to cardinal number of x plus cardinal number of y minus cardinal number of x intersection y. This is exclusion, this is inclusion, and this is inclusion. Now, for 3 sets x, y, z, we have x cardinal number of x union y union z is equal to cardinal number of x plus cardinal number of y plus cardinal number of z minus cardinal number of x intersection y minus cardinal number of y intersection z minus cardinal number of x intersection z plus cardinal number of x intersection y intersection z. You can fill here by observing this figure. Cardinal number of x in this set, what do you observe? Some portion of here y and some portion of z are in set x. So, we can exclude it cardinal number of x intersection y. Similarly, cardinal number of y intersection z, this portion, and also cardinal number of x intersection z, this portion. But what do you observe? This dark shaded region comes three times. So we make it balance by adding this region x intersection y intersection z. ये 3 बार घट गया, इसलिए बैलेंस करने के लिए कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ x यूनियन कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ y कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ z में ये पोर्शन आने के लिए हम इंक्लूड कर दिए. क्या किए? इंक्लूड कर दिए. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, नाउ वी वांट टू काउंट number of onto functions. Here in set x there are 3 elements b1, b2, b3, and in set y there are 2 elements. So we can find it by using formula, not formula, by counting methods. Total number of function, if you find total number of function minus number of many one function, it will give you total number of onto function. Total number of onto function can be determined by using this formula, total number of function minus number of many one function. So total number of function is 2 to the power cube, and number of many one function is 2. See this figure. This may be a situation first, and this may be in second situation. So there are 2 situations in which the function are many one. So we subtract it by 2. So it will be 6, 3. Now number of many one function can be counted by this formula also. First we select one box out of 2, so 2c1, and now we have one box empty, 2 minus 1, and it can be filled by 3 ways. So 2 minus 1 to the power cube. So 2c1 into 1, 2. Now here, now I want to solve another problems. Here in set x there are 5 elements, and in set y there are 3 elements. So number of onto function is equal to total number of functions minus number of into functions. So total number of function is, there are 3 elements in y, so we take base 3, and 5 elements in domain, so 3 to the power 5 minus number of into function. So we select one box out of 3 box, 3c1, and now here there are remaining 2 boxes, so it will be filled by 5 ways. So that is, each will be filled by 5 ways, so it will be 3 minus 1 to the power 5 minus 3c2, 3 minus 2 to the power 5 plus 3c3, 3 minus 3 to the power 5. So now to make it in a rhythm, we write 3c3. There is no need to write 3c3. 3 में से 3 खाली रहा, 3 में से 3 खाली रहा, तो वो केस ही नहीं होगा. 3c3, 3 minus 3 to the power 5. 3 में से 1 सेलेक्ट किए तो कितना बचा? 2 बचा. 3 में से 2 सेलेक्ट किए तो कितना बचा? 1 बचा. और 3 में से सभी सेलेक्ट किए, 3c3, 3 minus 3, ये केस नहीं होगा. Now it will be 3 to the power 5 minus 3 into 32 and plus 3 after removing this bracket. It will be 243 minus 96 plus 3, and it will be 152. So now I want to make explanation how it will be 3c1 3 minus 1 to the power of 5 minus 3c2 3 minus 2 to the power 5. ये माइनस क्यों हुआ, ये इंक्लूड क्यों हुआ, यहाँ माइनस क्यों हुआ, कैसे इंक्लूजन हुआ? नाउ सी दिस फिगर. If you take one box, then 3c1 तीन में से एक और दो खाली रहा. It will be 3 minus 1 to the power 5. When one box is empty, let bx1 is empty. bx1 is empty. In the case if bx1 is empty, then we have bx, see here, if bx1 is empty, bx1 is empty. प्रिय साथियों, why 3c2 is negative? I want to explain it. Suppose when we select 1 out of 3, then it will be b1 b2, b3 को हम छोड़ सकते हैं. Now if we select suppose b3, select b3, then we have b1 b2. If we select b3, then we have b1 b2. If we select b1, then we have b2 b3. Now if we select 2, then it will be b2 b3, it will be b1 b2, it will be b2 b3. So it comes 2 times. So for make it equal, make it balance, we here subtract. We take a case of 3c2 with negative sign. So this you should be clear. So now my dear colleagues, my dear learned colleagues, here suppose we select b3, then we have bx1 bx2. We select 1 out of 3, then we have bx1 bx2. And if we select 2, then we have also bx1 bx2. If we select 2 out of 3, then we have also bx1 bx2. So each ordered pair comes 2 times. So to make it balance, we here subtract. This you should have make clear. So now that's why we here 3 to the power 5 minus 3c1, 3 minus 1 to the power 5. And so make it balance, we put here negative sign. 3c2, 3 minus 2 to the power 5. 3c3, 3 minus 3 to the power 5. So this case is not possible. So my dear colleagues, it will be 3 to the power 5 minus 3c1, 3 minus 1 to the power 5 minus 3c2, 3 minus 2 to the power 5, and make it in a rhythm. We have written here 3c3, 3 minus 3 to the power 5, though this case is not possible. So after simplifying, we have 243 minus 96 plus 3, that is 150. In this way, we can solve this type of problem. Now, I want to suggest you that we should have solve the problem by 2 ways. One is by using formula and other is by counting method. In counting method, we'll use number of onto function is equal to total number of function minus number of many one function. Number of many one into function. Number of many one, here this is, we make a formula, number of many one function. Total number of function minus number of many one function is equal to number of onto function. So in this way we can solve this problem. So I want to make it clear, to make the process of solution of problem easy, we should have apply the formula of counting, and this formula r is equal to 1 to n minus 1 to the power n minus r, NCR r to the power n. It makes confusion. It is difficult for a student to remember this formula. Here n is number of elements of, here cardinal number of x is greater than cardinal number of y. So cardinal number, here this is cardinal number of y is equal to n, and cardinal number of x is equal to m. So cardinal number of x greater than cardinal number of y. So now it will be minus 1 n minus r. N is what? Number of elements of y, that is n, and we take, suppose, r elements out of n. So that is NCR. That is NCR r to the power m. Here we have r elements. So each, and here is m element. So it should have how many possibilities? M possibilities. M possibilities. So r is multiplied by itself m times. It will be r to the power m. Now I want to discuss some problems which are very, very interesting and important for the purpose of examinations. Suppose here there are two sets, A having elements 1, 2, 3, B having elements A, B, C. What do you observe? In this case, the elements of domain and codomain are equal. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C, D. In this case, number of element of domain is less than number of element codomain. And in case 3, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to A, B, C. The cardinal number of A is greater than cardinal number of B. So how will you solve this type of problem? That I want to discuss. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C, cardinal number of A is equal to cardinal number of B. Using counting we have 1 has 3 possibilities, 2 has 2 possibilities. Suppose 1, 1 on 2. So 1 is associated with A. Now the 1 has 3 possibilities. 2 has also 2 possibilities and 3 has also 1 possibility. So total number of function, that is 1, 1 on 2 function is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6, that is factorial 3. So make it general, generalize it. Cardinal number of A is equal to m, cardinal number of B is equal to n, that is n is equal to m. Then total number of onto functions is equal to npn, npn, that is factorial n by factorial n minus 1, that is factorial n by 0, that is factorial n. So now it can be solved by this method also. Number of onto function is equal to r is equal to 1 to n minus 1 minus 1 to the power n minus r, NCR r to the power m. So by using this formula, where cardinal number of A is equal to m, cardinal number of B is equal to m, minus 1 to the power n minus r, 3 minus 1, 3c1, 1 to the power cube, minus 1, 3 to the power minus 2, 3c2, 2 to the power cube, minus 1, 3 minus 3, 3c3, and it is 3 to the power cube. R is here 3. So it will be 3c1 minus 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2, 27. It will be 3 minus 24 plus 27, and that is 6. So my dear colleagues, you can solve this problem by using formula or by without using formula, you can say. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C, D. So cardinal number of A less than cardinal number of B. Number of onto function from A to B is 0. It is clear. Number of onto function from A to B is equal to 0. So now here suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to ABC. Cardinal number of A greater than cardinal number of B. In set A there are 4 elements. In set B there are 3 elements. So total number of function minus number of into function. So 3 to the power 4 minus 3c1, 3 to the power 4 माइनस 3 में से एक सेलेक्ट किया, बचा कितना 2, तो 2 का इमेज कितने ढंग से बनेगा? Here there are 2 elements, so 1 has also 2 options, 2 has also 2 options, 3 has also 2 options, and 4 has also 2 possibilities. So it will be 2 to the power 4 minus 3c2, 3 में से 2 चुनना है, तो कितने ढंग से चुनेंगे? 3c2, और बचा कितना? 3 minus 2 to the power 4, because in domain there are 4 elements. So for rest 2 elements, 3 minus 2, we have how many possibilities? 4 possibilities. So 3 minus 2 to the power 4, that is 3c3, 3 minus 3 to the power 4. This possibility is not possible. So 81 minus 3 into 16 plus 3 into 1, that is 81 minus 48 plus 3, that is 81 minus 48 plus 3, that is 84 minus 48, 36. You can solve this problem. This is easy. Student easily can understand this method. Number of function minus total number of function minus number of into function is equal to number of onto function. Now applying formula, r is equal to 1 to n minus 1 n minus r, NCR r to the power n, where n is equal to cardinal number of B, m is equal to cardinal number of A, r is equal to 1 to 3, minus 1, 3 minus r, 3cr r to the power 4. So by expanding it, it is minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3c1, 1 to the power 4, plus minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3c2, 2 to the power 4, plus minus 1, 3 minus 3, 3c3, 3 to the power 4. So now, my dear colleagues, it will be 3c1 minus 3c2 plus 3c3. So it will be 3 minus 3 into 16 plus 81, 3 minus 48 plus 81, that is 84 minus 48, 36. In this way, we Here we have already discussed the ways by which we can count the elements, count the number of functions in case of onto functions in this way. Now, this method is very easy for a student if you will apply. प्रिय साथियों, अब हम एक और सवाल फंक्शन का करना चाहते हैं. आई वॉन्ट टू solve one more problem which was asked in the board examination 2018, and I will apply some more conceptual method in solving this problem, so that the function f r from R defined by fx is equal to x by x square plus 1 for all x belongs to R is neither 1 1 nor onto. It is very important. How will you, the given rule is fx is equal to x by x square plus 1 for all x belongs to R, and we consider here image of x1 is equal to image of x2. ये हम लोग प्राय क्या करते हैं, x1 is equal to x1 square plus 1 and x2 by x2 square plus 1. x1 square into x2 plus x2 is equal to x1 into x2 square plus x1. And after solving, we have, by taking x1 x2 common, we have x1 minus x2 is equal to x1 minus x2. And now x1 into x2 minus x1 minus x2 minus within the bracket x1 minus x2. By taking common x1 minus x2, we have x1 into x2 minus 1. So either x1 minus x2 is equal to 0 or x1 into x2 minus 1 is equal to 0. If x1 into x2 is equal to 1, which is not possible, so function is not 1 1, because here x1 is equal to x2, x1 is equal to x2. So x1 into x2 is equal to not 1. So now we check whether the function is alternative method. We here check whether the function is 1 1 or not. Fx is equal to x by x square plus 1. We put x is equal to 2. Then the value of f2 is equal to 2 by 5. And we put its reciprocal 1 by 2. Then its value is also 2 by 5. What do you observe? Two elements 2 and 1 by 2 have same image. So the function is not 1 1. Function is not 1 1. So this method is very particular method, and we should apply this method. It is more effective rather than general method. So now for onto function, it is very easy. Fx is equal to x by x square plus 1, y is equal to x by x square plus 1, and we make here a quadratic equation. It will be x square into y plus y minus x is equal to 0. Now what is the value of d? It is an equation in term of x, quadratic equation in term of x. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Coefficient of here x is minus 1, so minus 1 square. 4y into y, that is 1 square minus 4y square. So for real roots, d greater than 0. For real roots, d greater than 0. So 1 minus 4y square greater than equal to 0. 1 greater than equal to 4y square. 4y square greater than 1, less than 1. And y square less than equal to 1 by 4. So y less than 1 by 2 and y greater than minus 1 by 2. So image will lie between minus half and half. This proves that function is not onto, because in the domain What do we observe? We observe that function is a real number to function is from real number to real number. So in domain, real number is present, and range, real number is present. But what do we observe? We observe that the image of the function will lie between -1/2 and 1/2, including -1/2 to 1/2. प्रिय साथियों, मैं जब कॉपी देखने गया तो 600 कॉपी में से 2 बच्चे सवाल को ठीक कर पाए थे, वो भी बोकारो जैसे शहर में। मैं अब अपनी बात आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। रोल ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मेरा टॉपिक था, तो मैं अब कहना चाहता हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विथ यू, दिस इज माई ओपिनियन, टू मेक problem solving approach easy, you should apply different method so that it will be easy for the students. प्रिय साथियों, जब I want to share my feeling with you that the role of mathematics teacher, as I told earlier, is very, very important to make the mathematics important and challenging, because if you want to make mathematics easy, then it is challenges for you that how will you make it easy. So this challenges, this responsibility we have to bear, so that next generation will take mathematics in easy way. This is the responsibility of mathematics teacher, particularly school teachers, to make the method of solving easy by solve the problem in different ways. Thank you very much.